Hello, thank you for being part of the Compass Wave referral program. Today, I'm going to demonstrate how you can invite your peers to Compass Wave and earn rewards in the process. From your Compass Wave dashboard or any page, navigate to Refer a Friend in the Settings menu. From here, you could view your unique URL or elect to send an email directly to your contact. Today, I'm going to send an email directly to a contact of mine. Here's the referral email we just sent. In the text body, we explain that the prospective new user is going to receive 15% off of their first year of Compass Wave. That's a $54 value. Once the new user signs up and finishes their free trial, you as the referring user will earn $25 towards your next applicable Compass Wave invoice. Once the link from the email is clicked, all of the referral code and discount information is automatically populated, so all the new user has to do is sign up and they're already earning their discount. Thank you so much for being part of the Compass Wave family and taking part in our new referral program. Have a great day.